Oh, tara, pasok. Upo kayo. Ano yun?
Papa Jam, pwede po ba magtanong?
Sige.
Papa Jam, nakita ko kasi sa post nyo about Philcon. Ano po ba meron sa Philcon?
Well, Philcon is a newly emerging company here in Davao City, located at Lasang Davao City. We are a new player in the market, specializes in Sunny spare parts and distributing trucks, equipment, tires, oils, and others.
Papa Jam, ano po ba ang mga advantages ng Philcon sa market?
Well, the good thing about Philcon compared to other players, since we are new in the market, we wanted to make an explosive in its introduction to the market. Gusto natin na maibigay yung high-level quality service sa ating mga consumers and at the same time, to offer the best of the products in the market, which is, ngayon, we are currently offering 3 of the best brands. Sunny, andyan yung XM, andyan yung Shantuy, and at the same time, yung Noble Lift.
So, ibig sabihin, naging one-stop shop ang Philcon?
Yes, well, basically that is the plan. We wanted to offer to our consumers a one-stop shop. Pag bumili ka sa amin ng trucks, pag bumili ka sa amin ng equipment, meron tayong available tires, we do have available batteries, and we do have available spare parts. So, technically, that is the plan of the company, and it plans to grow more pagdating ng panahon so we can cater everybody in the market dito sa buong Mindanao or hopefully in the entire Philippines.
Alright, Papa Jam. Thank you.